Omo, this life no balance o. This life no balance at all. E get wetin dey bother me. E get wetin dey worry for mind. And if you get anything wey dey bother you, wey dey worry you, bro, speak it loud. Na small doctor talk say sọ̀rọ̀ sókè wèrè. Speak it loud. Imagine, because I dey do comedy now, nobody fit help. I no fit call this one say, bro, I need your help, I need data. This one say, you dey whine me ni, you wey dey do comedy. You wey dey do comedy, you don't get me, no whine me. Then use that one dey cover up. See, you go tell me now say, brother Chad, you no suffer for comedy. You go tell me say, OGB, we get this clothes, so we just buy house, we buy car. You go tell me say OGB no suffer for comedy. You go tell me say Sabinus no suffer for comedy. You go tell me say Mr. Macaroni, all those biggest comedian or biggest artists, go tell me say they no suffer because they start dey make money for comedy. The thing say na so as e start am, na so it start, na so the thing dey easy. You know, if you call this one, they gonna tell me say, you don't make money. You don't make. This is not funny. This is not the comedy. It's not funny at all. It's not funny. I dey speak my mind out, make people know wetin I. All those of people they talk say I don't get money, forget all that. I don't get money, say I don't forget. They do comedy, I don't forget money. This one will even chat to say, bro, I don't tell you, send the number. After I send number, no nonsense. He will dey chat. You don't get money, you don't forget me now. They do comedy. You know, if you ask for anything, you dey use that one. They will use that one. They cover up so that you know if he has anything then. Be your brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper. Because I need your help today. Tomorrow you go need my help. No be say you go tell me because you don't see me online, I don't post now, you don't tell me say I don't make money, I don't forget you. I don't get ching back for account if you see me like this. It's not funny. I don't get ching back for account. But you go tell me say I don't get money for account, I don't get. You think that so it is easy. You know, it's not easy, brother, it's not easy. And I wish your brother goodness and your sister goodness so that you can get progress. This is why they talk, you think say whether I dey talk nonsense. If nobody above blocking. If you don't like what I dey talk, block me. Because wetin dey pay for my now dey talk so. Because of that they do comment now. This one that you don't blow, you don't get money, you don't get money. That's so it dey easy. People when they see so, you know, easy for them. When they start them to know wetin they face, and you to know say me like this, I know wetin I dey face for comedy. But those of you wey dey talk say, you dey do comedy, you don't make money, you don't make money. Wey say you don't know wetin I dey face through.